Okay, guys, going on with the fourth concept, and that concept is about the ring. Okay, a circle, a circular loop. मैं उसको बोलता हूँ या ring बोलता हूँ, whatever you can say. Yeah, that's the fourth concept. Again, a cardboard is taken, students. एक cardboard लिया है वो लोग ने, and they have made two holes. इस बार दो holes बनाए हैं, yeah. And through one of the hole, the wire is let in. So from the bottom through this hole I am taking out a wire and I'm making it into a circular format, and through the second hole, let's say the name of the hole is A and the name of this hole is B, the wire is exiting, coming down, and eventually it is getting connected to a battery or a cell and a key arrangement. Okay, and I am sprinkling the iron filings, and throughout the cardboard, पूरे cardboard में मैं iron filings को sprinkle कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना? Okay, now you know what happens whenever you switch on the key. जब key को मैं on करता हूँ, तो iron filings जो है ना, they will arrange themselves in the concentric circle. बराबर है क्या? The iron filings will arrange themselves in the concentric circles. Same out here. This is what we see. Okay, not only this, there are many more things. So these are actually iron filings, right? The current is flowing in this direction according to my diagram. We call this as loop AB, right? Now what are the observations? Listen to me very carefully. Okay, observation number 1. We will see that check the current through point A. Okay, the current through this point, जो conductor जा रहा है, it is in the upward direction. Current is going in the upward direction. So can I say the iron filings are going to be this way? This way मतलब it's going to be anti-clockwise. This is going to be the direction of the iron filings. Actually, the magnetic field. Iron filings don't show a direction; they are just arranged. But direction of magnetic field in A, it is anti-clockwise. And if I am talking about B, point B say wire is coming down. From point B, the wire is going down. The current is going down. So obviously, the direction of the magnetic field is going to be clockwise. According to right hand thumb rule, fingers give the direction of the magnetic field. So from B, okay, through B, the loop B, the direction of the magnetic field is clockwise. Clockwise मतलब घड़ी के direction में. It's going to be this and this. Now in the book, it is given that the direction, that the magnetic field, या इसको magnetic lines of force भी बोलते हैं. We call it magnetic force lines or magnetic field lines. These are also called magnetic field lines, or we call them as magnetic lines of force. ये जो magnetic field lines है ना, the ones which give the direction of the current, no, the direction of the magnetic field. These lines are in the same direction. How? How can they be in the same direction? Sir, you are just writing कि A में अपना direction of the magnetic field is anti-clockwise and B में it is clockwise. Then how can they be same? I tell you. They are trying to tell me that listen, the lines, the magnetic lines of force, check कर, they are going up. Check the diagram. They are going up and then they are coming down together. They are together going up and they are coming down. Up, down. That is what in the textbook they are meaning to say, that the magnetic lines of force are in the same direction. Individually, one is clockwise, one is anti-clockwise, but both eventually come up and then they both go down. That is the meaning. That is the meaning that magnetic lines of force, yeah, magnetic field lines, MFL मतलब magnetic field lines, are in same direction. That is the meaning, friends. Second चीज क्या बोल रहे हैं पता है वो लोग, जैसे हम लोग सेंटर से दूर जाते हैं, as we try to move away from the center, this is my center A and B, the lines of force start becoming parallel to each other and parallel to the board. So the second, these are all observations. As we move away from center, you know what happens? The magnetic field lines, they are parallel to each other, and at the center they are in circular motion. At center they are circular, right? Concentric circles, circular, concentric. I'm just writing the keywords. Okay, so these are the 2 points of concern. Obviously agar direction of the current changes, so the magnetic field lines ka direction will also change. So center pe they are concentric, and as we move away they are almost parallel to each other, and they are non-intersecting, they don't intersect each other. Those are all basic points, right? So this was my 4th answer about a circular loop. My 5th answer for you all is about an electromagnet. Yes, about an electromagnet. But before that, the direction. Acha, now how do we come to know which is a north pole and a south pole? Now listen to me. Haven't we already spoken? Haven't we already seen that according to Oersted's experiment, जब भी कंडक्टर से करंट पास होगा, there is a magnetic field around it. A current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. So can I say that obviously magnetic field है तो polarity तो स्वाभाविक है. There has to be a polarity, there has to be a north pole, there has to be a south pole, because this arrangement, this system acts as a magnet. ये system magnet के तरह ही behave करता है ना, क्योंकि obviously there is a magnetic field, so we can say there has to be a north pole, there has to be a south pole. How do we make out which is north and which is south? पता कैसे चलेगा भाई साहब? Listen, according to the convention, the face, चेहरा, face, मदर नोट है ना? The face, okay, is south pole if current through it is in clockwise direction. I didn't understand. I'm telling you, just hold on, na? Just have some patience. Look, if I am the person who is behind the board, behind the glass or behind the board, I can say that this is clockwise from my side, my point of view. So agar the face of the loop shows the direction of the current clockwise, isn't this clockwise? I will say that my face is the south pole. However, from your side, if I'm looking from your side, come on, if there is a wire out here, I can also see and you all can also see from the other side. Yeah, we both are on opposite sides of each other. So if the face the face is north pole, if the current through that face is in anti-clockwise direction. So if the current in the face is in the anti-clockwise direction, then we call that face as a north pole. So it's basically the direction of the current. We need to check the face. I can see this. For me, if this is north, okay. If I am looking at this, you are looking at my palm. So for me, if this is north, for you this will be south. If for you this is north, for me this will be south. It's like a face. Okay, so if I draw, I'm not that great at drawing, but if I draw a vertical plane, something like this, check and try. Okay, a person who is observing from here and a person who is observing from here. The person who observes from behind, for him, let's say it's South Pole, then the person who observes from here, it is North Pole. Basically, it's the same only, but it's the way from which side you observe. That is called the phase. Right? So that was my fifth answer. The direction of the poles. I'm sorry, not the direction of the direction of the current which determines the poles. My sixth answer would be about electromagnet. Yeah, that is an artificial magnet. So let's see what exactly is an electromagnet. I think 9th standard mein you have already done what's an electromagnet. Magnetism chapter B part mein it's there. Okay, so before an electromagnet we need to understand what is a solenoid. Okay, so before going to the electromagnet, we need to get to the knowledge of a solenoid. Okay, solenoid is just nothing but, wires which are wound. Okay, wires which are, these are wires, they are conductors. एक सादा copper wires भी ले सकते हो और उसको ऐसे turnings दिए हैं, turnings of copper wires we say, and it is connected to a cell or a battery and a key. You know what happens? Same like Oersted's experiment. Same like Oersted's experiment. That when the current flows through the wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. A current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. मतलब इसके इर्द-गिर्द there is going to be a magnetic field. Yes, and magnetic lines of force will be somewhat like this, and they will go. They have to be closed continuous loops. So I can say that one of the pole is going to be North Pole and one pole is going to be South Pole. Obviously कि जब भी करंट फ्लो होता है वायर से, वायर बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट फॉर सम टाइम. कब तक वो मैग्नेट एक्ट करेगा? जब तक है जान. Till the current is flowing through the wire, it behaves like a magnet. So it will have a North Pole and a South Pole. The direction can be given by this circular loop. The phase, if my eyes are out here, and the current is going clockwise, it will be south, so other will be north. You have to just check the phase. इधर देख के ऐसे exactly imagine करना पड़ेगा कि कौन से phase में कौन सा phase देख रहा हूँ, current clockwise जा रहा है कि anti clockwise जा रहा है. So I will say that these are magnetic field lines, magnetic lines of force, right? So in a solenoid, solenoid में first point, solenoid behaves like a magnet. कब तक? Till the current flows, till current is there. Second, the north and the south poles of this solenoid, which is a magnet, can be determined by using this rule. Okay, the circular loop concept से पता चलेगा that what is the direction, what is the polarity, through the current. The third part, if you want to increase the current, अगर current को बढ़ाना है, okay, अगर current को मुझे बढ़ाना है, if I increase the current, then the strength of the magnetic field increases. मतलब पहले magnetic field इधर तक ही था, सीमित. The strength was only this much, but if I increase the current, magnetic field increases. It becomes a stronger magnet. So I will say the strength of magnetic field, MF लिख रहा हूँ, can be changed. How can it be changed? By changing the current. You can change the strength of the magnetic field, increase or decrease. More current, more is the field strength. Less current, less is the field strength. And second is by changing the turnings, number of turns. By changing the number of turns, ये जो turns है ना ये वाले, if you increase the number of turnings, if you increase the number of coilings, magnetic field strength will increase. If you decrease the number of coilings, magnetic field strength will decrease. It's as simple as that. So the magnetic field strength can be changed by these two options or two ways. Obviously, if I change the polarity of a battery, then the direction of the magnetic field also changes. Strength change करने के दो options हैं. To change the direction, if direction of current is reversed, polarities change. Polarities change means अगर ये north है ना तो ये south बन जाएगा, अगर ये south है ये north बन जाएगा. So you can also change the polarity of the magnet by changing the direction of the current. अच्छा, solenoid is a temporary magnet because I just told कि it behaves like a magnet till the current flows. अगर मैं solenoid के जो wires हैं ना, the turnings of a solenoid, if by any chance I introduce an iron bar, an iron piece, it becomes an electromagnet which is much stronger magnet than a solenoid. So solenoid अगर मैं ऐसे use कर रहा हूँ, I'm just using the turnings of a wire, I will get a good enough magnet, I'll get a good magnet. But if I want to increase the strength of the magnet, I want to lift up cranes, I want to lift up heavy objects which are magnetic in nature, I'm going to use an electromagnet. Go through these three concepts, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to go with electromagnet and the uses of electromagnet. Okay, my next answer, I think that's going to be the seventh answer, it's about the electromagnet and uske uses. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about electromagnet and its uses. Seventh. Again guys, the same thing, you take the turnings of a wire, वापस वो solenoid के तरह, connect it to a cell or a battery, plug it to a key, and yes, now what you do is you put an iron rod or any magnetic material. It's not a magnet, it's a magnetic material. So एक iron का जो डंडा है ना, you just place it inside this solenoid like resting. So you place it inside the solenoid like it's resting inside the solenoid, and now you pass the current. Okay, so this is how the direction of the current looks like. अगर मैं इसको और अच्छी तरह बनाऊं ना तो it becomes something like this. This is how you make it in the board exam. You first draw an iron rod, okay, a magnetic material, and just wind the wires, the turnings of the wires around this. Yeah, this is a more appropriate diagram. I want you to draw this diagram, the B1. A1, though I just told you the process. However, it should look something like this. Okay. Now, अगर मेरी आंखें इधर है, okay, so can I say the current is going this way? So listen, from this, अगर ये iron rod है, the current I have to see from here. सामने देख के I will not be able to determine which is a north pole, which is a south pole, because obviously कि when a current is flowing through the conductor, this system acts like a magnet, and magnet में there has to be a north pole and a south pole. To determine north and south pole, to understand कौन सा north और कौन सा south है, I'll have to check the face, चेहरा. ऐसे side में से नहीं पता चलेगा. I have to see from here, or I have to see from here. Then only I'll come to know what is north, which is north and which is south. So अगर wire ऊपर से जा रहा है, see I have taken the face in front of you. अरे यार, if this is the wire, yeah, if this is the rod and the wire is going this way, please I am turning this to your eyes. Yo man, it's anti-clockwise. And if it is anti-clockwise, I can say that yes, this is north pole. This pole has to be north and this pole is going to be a south pole. That's how we determine the direction. Again, if you want to increase the magnetic field strength, what you can do is three things. To increase the magnetic field, MF मतलब magnetic field, board exam में shortcut is not allowed. First, you increase the current by using more batteries. You take more number of cells to form a battery. Second thing is, you can increase the number of turnings to increase the current. And the third thing what you can do is, you can take an iron rod which has more area. So you take a bigger iron rod having more area. And these three things will help you to increase the magnetic field strength around the so-called magnet. And this is nothing but, can I say, it's a temporary magnet. It's not a permanent magnet. जब तक करंट रहेगा तब तक वो मैग्नेट रहेगा, right? So now my next answer would be differentiate between a temporary magnet and a permanent magnet. Yeah. So my eighth answer, I'm talking about a bar magnet, which is a permanent magnet, and I'm talking about an electromagnet, which is a temporary magnet. So let's understand. I'm just writing the key words, my friends. Differentiating between a bar and an electromagnet. Bar magnet is a permanent magnet. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet. Bar magnet का strength, it's a weak magnet. It's not that strong. Electromagnet is it is a strong magnet. I can say बार मैग्नेट का जो स्ट्रेंथ है ना, जो स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेट रिमेन्स द सेम. यू कैन नॉट चेंज द स्ट्रेंथ. स्ट्रेंथ रिमेन्स द सेम, बट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट का जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है उसका स्ट्रेंथ तो चेंज कर सकते हैं ना. ये लिखा मैंने, हाउ टू चेंज द स्ट्रेंथ. सो यू कैन चेंज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. Fourth, no change in polarity. No change in the poles, जिसको polarity बोलते हैं. क्योंकि बार मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल will remain fixed. It cannot be changed at all. But can I say electromagnet का polarity changes. Polarities can be changed. Polarity को change किया जा सकता है. कैसे? By changing the direction of the current. If the current is in this direction, ये north south होगा. अगर current will be in the opposite direction, that will be north, this will be south. So polarity changes by changing I का direction, by changing current का direction. Okay, so these 4 points are sufficient to differentiate. Again, bar magnet cannot be demagnetized. मतलब बार मैग्नेट परमानेंट है ना, उसको डीमैग्नेटाइज नहीं किया जा सकता है. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट कैन बी डीमैग्नेटाइज्ड बाय स्टॉपिंग द करंट. इफ द करंट स्टॉप्स, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट नो लॉन्गर रिमेन्स अ मैग्नेट. और यूजेस भी है जो मैं ओरली डिस्कस कर देता हूं. इट इज नॉट that key or an important as an answer. But yeah, the ninth one, the uses of an electromagnet. Okay, you can study directly from the book. First use is to lift up cranes. Then it is used for medical purposes also, to remove the iron filings or iron pieces if it enters into the blood stream में. Okay, medical purposes, cranes. Then it is used in a detection of faulty machines, etc. बहुत सारे uses है. It is used in household appliances, etc. So these are a few uses of an electromagnet. So guys, just go through this, and we are going to go with the next part, which is Lorentz force, Fleming's right hand and left hand rule, DC motor, Faraday's laws. We are going to go with those answers. Just go through this.